Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Truly Kunga. I hope you guys are doing good. और इस व्लॉग में मैं आप सबको दिखाने वाला हूँ इंचे स्कूल का 116th फाउंडेशन डे सेलिब्रेशन, जो काफ़ी ही हिस्टोरिक और यादगार रहा। आशा करता हूँ कि आप सबको ये व्लॉग पसंद आएगा। और ये है वॉल ऑफ ऑनर, और वॉल ऑफ ऑनर में लगाया गया है हमारे स्कूल इंचे स्कूल के कुछ एक्स स्टूडेंट्स के फ़ोटोज़, और उनके फ़ोटोज़ को बैच वाइज लगाया गया है। एक स्टूडेंट का नाम, बैच और उनका प्रोफेशन, डेजिग्नेशन या पोस्ट भी मेंशन किया गया है। और इसे लगाने का मकसद ये है कि हम बताना चाहते हैं कि इंचे स्कूल से पास्ड आउट हुए बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स अपने लाइफ में अपने अपने प्रोफेशन फील्ड में बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं। एंड आवर स्कूल इज़ एक्सट्रीमली प्राउड ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ देम। और साथ ही में हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेट करने के लिए, ताकि हमारे स्टूडेंट्स इन सभी आइकन्स को देखकर अपना फ्यूचर बहुत ही अच्छा बनाए और फ्यूचर में हम सबको और हमारे स्कूल को प्राउड महसूस कराए। यस, तो हमारे एक्स स्टूडेंट्स अलग अलग फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं, अक्रॉस वेरियस फील्ड्स अक्रॉस सिक्किम, इंडिया एंड इवन इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। तो कोई डॉक्टर है, इंजीनियर, नर्स, टीचर, प्रोफेसर, प्रिंसिपल, हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, सेक्रेटरीज, chairperson, some are politician, ministers, MLA, some are in government, entrepreneur, businessman, CEO of various companies, CEO of Glamour World, banker, lawyer, tattoo artist, स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। सो सभी फील्ड में से है और बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं अपने अपने फील्ड में। आरके सर, आरके सर। हेलो। हाँ, प्लीज कंट्रीब्यूट है। यस, बढ़िया। हेलो। I am.
All the three stalls, are you all ready? Yes?
हेलो। ऑल द बेस्ट। मजाले नाच्नु ल, मजाले नाच्नु है। खै एउटा किसान मिस भयो। कस्तो रहेछ नि, हेरेको पनि छु। हेलो। कस्तो मजाले बनाएको छ। हलवा खुरी। हाँ? के चिया? सोएम जिग्मे यहाँ छ। उसको नाम के भन्यो? लाक्को, लाक्को है। अन्टरप्रेनर्सहरू, बिजनेसम्यान।
Nice. Pretty dress, pretty. Handmade with love. कसको प्रडक्ट हो यो तिमीहरूको हो ह्यान्डमेड विथ लभ keychains. के मैम भाइरल
We welcome you all. Last but not least, to our beloved students, a heartfelt and a joyous welcome home. To all the parents, so that we can enjoy a warm cup of tea.
Subject during the time of Chogyal Tashinamya. In the year 1958 to 60 CE, the Chogyal allowed 150 Tibetan refugee students to be admitted into the school. It was also around this time that female Tibetan refugees were admitted to the school in 1958, which was a turning point in the school history, championing equality in education. By Her Highness Chemo, Hope Cook is still referred as the most eventful moment in Inche's history. In the early 90s, monastic students ceased arriving at Inche School. In the year 1973, the first CBSE batch of students, 4 in number, successfully passed the higher secondary examination from the school. The present building's foundation stone was laid down by His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama in the year 1979. His Holiness also bestowed an oral transmission of Arya Manjushri, also called Kangloma, and also offered valuable advice to the entire community of Inche.
He joined the Sikkim government service in 1974 as an assistant engineer. Government of Sikkim, he received the National Award for Safety from the Government of India. Of India on the occasion of Republic Day on 26 January 2002. He is also the only officer of the state to be awarded the Prime Minister Police Medal for Life Saving and President Police Medal for Meritorious Service in August 2000. On 21st August 2022. After retirement, Sri Dorji Tashi Bhutia has been serving as the chairperson of the school management committee till date. Late Kizang Bhutia and late Dao Doma Bhutia at Second Mile, Upper Chanmari, Gangtok, Sri Chiring Tashi Bhutia is a distinguished and a humble personality. And arts and crafts hall, which you can visit. He helped us to build it, and for today's program, and further extended his support in times of need. Shri Pasam Tamang, 1982 batch is going to have Sir Chiring Gatsu with us. Mr. Chiring Bhutia, 98 batch. Dr. Nikesh Chetri, 2017 batch.
ST cable you want to watch, GTV or what you want to watch. So through his tradition art, what we learned about the Thangka painting, the 8 lucky sign, which I think it itself is a tradition and a unique which has been brought in the school.
Next. Anybody, the mic is down. Anybody? Yes, it is the art room. Anybody wants to say something about the art room?
Mr. Superintendent, Mr. Matam sir.
Yes. Yes. So do you have any memories? Because you have a lot of memories.
Sure.
Can you share?
We have bitter memories also, we have happy memories also. And I think he was the Mr. Tashi Singh sir, especially his real name is Tashi Singh Bhujna.
Very excited and we wanted to make it very special for the teachers as well. So we were fighting among ourselves to make it the best. We were working very hard. I remember us sitting beside the school hall and auditorium and discussing all the things that we wanted to do, having snacks there, discussing about life in general and joking about life, everything. So I just remember the last Teachers' Day that we tried to make it as special as for the teachers we could. So, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank you to all the teachers and all the Inter family who made our Inter school life a great experience, and I'm very, very thankful to everyone.
Thank you, Kriti. Definitely want to hear, or we would want to hear something associated with the uniform, because this is something unique, this is traditional, and throughout the world I think Inchi is the only school which has it. So I'd like the ex-students to please share something about the uniform. It would be very good. Anybody?
Know her is when I was in class 7. I was actually going for an elocution competition, and at that time I was not able to perform well. But then, because of that rejection only at that time, I got the opportunity to improve myself, and because of that, I have learned many things in my life, and also it's all thanks to you, Madam Yudin Rinzing, that it inspired me to learn things on my own and also to seek help from everyone around me. Yeah, that's all. Thank you, everyone.
And what makes this felicitation unique is the person presenting the award. It is genuine pleasure to announce that this special gift is being presented by and personally sponsored by the student's own guide and mentor, our dedicated Hindi PGT, Ma'am Chiring Lodi. Thank you so much for the honor, sir.
जुन चाहिँ बाटो देखाउनु भएको छ अनि उहाँ पुर्खाले जुन बाटो देखाउने ठाउँमा पनि हामी छोराछोरीले त्यही बाटोमा हिँड्यौँ पक्का नम बनेको चाहिँ त्यो चाहिँ एउटा देख्यो किनभने यो एउटा ड्रेसको विषयमा यस्तो एउटा युनिक हो। अब तपाईँ 116 वर्षदेखि तपाईँले अहिलेसम्म भोकु लगाएर आउने चाहिँ कहीँ पनि सिक्किममा कहीँ पनि छैन। संसारमा त सस्तो लागेन एउटै युनिफर्म लगाएर हिँड्ने, तर हाम्रो यो बक्खु तपाईँको बक्खु भनेको चाहिँ यो बक्खु पनि ड्रेस पनि पुरै अर्कै छ, कालो छैन सेतो छैन, खालि लामा ड्रेस। अब मैले आउँदा यसो सोद्धाखेरि आउँदो दिनमा फेरि यसो एउटा प्रोग्राम भयो भने त्यसमा 25 को होला 50 को होला, त्यति बेला चाहिँ इन्चेसको जस्तै ड्रेस लगाएर आउनु पर्यो बक्खु त्यसै बनाएर। त्यसो आउँदाखेरि पनि एक दिन पनि हामी पनि इन्चेसको एउटा टिचर एउटा स्टुडेन्ट हौँ न, स्टुडेन्ट भएर यसो देख्दाखेरि ड्रेसहरू सबैले बक्खु रातो खालको लगाएर आउँदाखेरि कस्तो राम्रो देख्छ।
Next for the Nepali dance. And now for the integration dance, I would like to request Kala Utsav program, receiving the honor on behalf of the team. And last but not the least, Sharab and Dorji Palden can we have you on stage. The ever so energetic ones, our star performers. One of our former students from the batch of 2007, Sri Lakpa Kagati, who is now the Jilla class. He has joined us now. Sri Lakpa Kagati Jilla Panchayat, Syari Rongate block. He was from the batch of 2007.
ये तो सके
अब